this video, we will show you the setup and installation of your new DS reverse osmosis drinking water system. For the accessories, please refer to the list in the manual to make sure no parts are missing. If you have any question about the instructions or the product you received, feel free to reach out to us. We will begin with the setup of feed water tubing. Close the water supply valve, then turn on the kitchen faucet to release water pressure. Make sure no water is coming out before moving on to the next step. Next, locate the cold water pipe connected to the water supply valve and simply unscrew it with an adjustable wrench. Locate the other end of RO water adapter with a pull buckle. Unscrew the nut on it, then insert the white 1/4-inch tube into the adapter. Locking collet makes a clicking sound. Place the washer on it and screw the cold water pipe to the adapter. Make sure to use the adjustable wrench to tighten the pipe. Be advised, if the cold water pipe is not 1/4 inch, you might want to use the tubing converter from the pack to connect. Connect the water supply valve to the RO water adapter. Place the washer in between and tighten up with the adjustable wrench. Keep the RO feed water adapter in the close position until installation is finished. Tear off the double-sided tape on the protector and place the protector on the ground near the system. Open the cover of leakage protector and put the cotton inside before closing the cover. Pick up the end of the white tube that was connected to the RO water adapter and insert the tube to the in port of the water leakage protector. Next, bring up the rest of the white 1/4-inch tube you just cut. Insert one end of the tube to the out port of the water leakage protector and connect the other end of the white tube to the feed water port on the system. Make sure you have an existing hole available on the counter. If not, please refer to another video on our channel to drill a hole on the counter. First, take out the upper cap and mounting washer from the accessory pack. Screw them to the faucet rod, then insert the rod into the hole on the counter. Under the sink, place the bottom cap on the faucet rod, then screw the nut to the rod to tighten up the faucet. When the faucet is set, place the quick connect fitting at the end of the rod. After that, push the blue 1/4-inch PE into the other end of the fitting. At last, connect the blue PE tube to the port marked with pure water on the system. The drain saddle can fit into any 1.5-inch straight length of pipe before the P-trap. Mark a preferred location of drain saddle with a pencil. Use the power drill with 1/4-inch drill bit to drill a hole on the mark. Be careful to only drill one side of the pipe. Take the front plate with the foam gasket on it and put the back plate together on the pipe and tighten the plates with screws and nuts evenly. Then attach the black 1/4-inch tube to the front plate and push the tube into the hole you drilled. Connect the black 1/4-inch tube to the wastewater port on the system. Take off the blue cap on the top of water storage tank. Wrap the stem on the tank with 8 to 10 layers of Teflon tape, then screw the tank valve onto the tank. Remember to keep the valve closed by turning the blue handle for 90 degrees clockwise. Take out a new set of white 1/4-inch tube from the packet and insert it onto the storage tank valve. Then connect the other end of the tube to the storage tank port on the system. Find and detach the tubes from both sides of the RO filter housing by pressing the round unlocking ring and pulling the tube simultaneously. Use the filter adjustable wrench to twist off the housing cap in clockwise direction. Insert the RO membrane into the housing and twist the housing cap with the adjustable wrench. With the housing cap sealed, connect the tubes back to both sides of the filter housing. Turn on the water supply valve and the RO feed water adapter. Plug in the power adapter and turn on the RO faucet to start flushing the filters. Let the faucet run for 15 to 20 minutes until the water is clean, then turn off the faucet. Now turn on the tank valve to fill up the RO water storage tank. The process may take about an hour. Make sure the RO faucet is turned off. After the storage tank is full, turn on the RO faucet to let the water in the tank flow out. When the tank is empty, turn off the RO faucet and start filling up the storage tank again. We highly recommend to repeat the same process at least twice. Make sure all tubing is installed correctly and there is no leakage at any joint, fitting, valve, or PE tube connection. After emptying the storage tank at least twice, turn off the RO faucet and let the water storage water to be filled for one last time. Once the tank is filled, the water will be ready for drinking. Now the RO drinking water system is all set and ready to bring you pure, healthy drinking water in your own home.